everyone, thank you for watching this video. This is Sheva from Bear Mix Bujo over at Instagram. For today, I have a very quick craft with me on my design theme project for the month of August for Dust to Roses. So I posted this over in my Instagram, and today I'm going to show you how to make this vellum layered tags. So for the tags, each of the digi kit that Cassie releases over in her Etsy account has this ready-made tags that you can cut out, and then they also have these background papers. So what I did is I just printed one of the background papers on vellum. So for this kit, I'm using the Forget Me Not kit. And what you need to do, what you'll be using for this mini projects are just, the seam binding, of course, the vellum printed background paper, some scissors, glue, and then any tag or bus ticket that you might want to decorate the vellum with. So what I'm doing now is I'm just cutting the vellum paper that will put over the tag according to size. So I didn't measure it. I just, made sure that it covers the tag that you will be using. So now I am cutting the paper, just cutting it by hand. No need to use a scissor because we will be distressing the sides as well to make it a little bit uneven and give a bit of interest. So now I'm just cutting the vellum paper to size, and then of course you just need to choose what design you'd like to go on top of the actual tag. So just choose a part of the vellum paper that would be complementary to what would be to the design of the tag that you will be using. So for this one, I really like this flower, so it's also duplicated in the tag. You can also see it there. So what I'm doing now is just de-stressing the sides, making sure that they're not, very, they're not one line. So it's a little bit jagged, so that will give a little bit of interest to the vellum on top of the tag. So I'll be doing that to all of the sides, I think even the bottom one. And then what you can do next is just add the bus ticket or whatever design you'd like to add on top of the vellum paper. I just added the ticket so that they will weigh down the vellum paper a little bit, so it's not, flapping around when it's inserted in your journal. You can also add labels here, or washi tape, or you can also add in lace, any design that you really can think of that you want to add to the vellum paper. But since the vellum paper that I'm using is already very pretty, it has this really pretty flower, I'm not adding much to it anymore. And now I think what I'm doing is I'm just getting an eyelet. Yep. So this is totally optional, but you will need to punch out a hole on top of your tag so that you can insert the seam binding. This is optional, but I also added a gold eyelet so that it's, an additional interest to the tag. And then afterwards, you will just insert the seam binding or whatever ribbon that you want to add. You can also use sari silk. I think in one of the projects that I shared, I used sari, the green one that I'll show you later. That's sari. You can also, use strings, any kind of ribbon really, or string you can add and use here. I just chose this one because I really like the color. I think it complements the design of the tag and of the vellum paper that I used. So that is it. Very quick and easy project for this month. I hope you'll be able to follow along and create one of these tags yourself. Thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe and like if you haven't.